Buddy, have you ever stood in front of a shelf full of engine additives and wondered which ones actually work? Many drivers just grab whatever looks good, but the wrong additive can actually damage your engine. According to Popular Mechanics, some additives truly improve lubrication, while others are pure marketing. The solution is to know which ones are proven. My tip: don't trust flashy labels. Look for science and real reviews. Today we'll go through 11 additives that help and 5 that can kill your engine. Let's start with the first one. Clogged injectors are a common problem, especially if you use lower quality fuel. Automotive says carbon deposits can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 4%. The solution is a fuel injector cleaner, a liquid additive you pour into your gas tank. Tip: only buy products tested by the EPA or trusted labs and use them every 5,000 km. Don't overdo it. If injector cleaner is helpful, what about oil additives? Let's break that down next. Ever notice your engine sounding rough? That might be because your oil thins out when it gets hot. Car and Driver notes oil stabilizers can boost viscosity and keep lubrication consistent. The fix is simple. Use stabilizers if your engine has over 100,000 km. Tip: never add more than 20% of your oil volume. Buddy, remember, taking care of your engine is a long-term investment. Next up, let's check out fuel boosters. Have you ever heard a knocking sound when driving uphill? That's engine knock caused by low-octane fuel. Motor Trend explains knocking can damage pistons over time. The solution is an octane booster. Tip: only use it in emergencies, like when you can't get higher octane fuel. Don't rely on it every fill-up. After boosters, let's look at additives that help your cooling system. Overheating is one of the biggest reasons cars break down in summer. ATA reports that nearly half of roadside breakdowns are cooling system failures. Radiator additives can lower engine temperature a few degrees and protect against rust. Tip: always match the additive with your coolant type. Never mix random products. We've covered useful ones so far, but not every additive is safe. Next, let's pause for some motivation before diving deeper. Bro, think of your car like your body. If you give it the right nutrition, it stays healthy. Don't fall for magic marketing. Knowledge is your power, and you're already smarter than most drivers just by learning this stuff. Let's keep going with another additive that truly helps your engine. If you don't service your car often, dirt in the fuel system can ruin performance. Consumer Reports found full fuel system cleaners can improve fuel economy by 2–3% when used regularly. The solution is to use them every 10,000 km. Tip: pick products that clean the tank, injectors, and valves together. Now, let's move from fuel to transmission. Automatic transmissions are expensive to fix. AAMCO found certain additives can reduce slipping and extend fluid life. The solution is to use them in older cars or if you drive in heavy traffic often. Tip: don't use them in brand new transmissions. Speaking of new tech, let's talk about nano-ceramic additives. Some modern additives use nano-ceramics to coat engine parts. SAE International found they can reduce friction by up to 10%. The solution is they work best for cars that do long drives. Tip: only trust brands with real lab testing. Buddy, every small step like this helps your engine last longer. Now, let's look at additives that are basically scams. Some bottles claim to double your horsepower instantly. Sounds cool, right? But Consumer Reports says there's no evidence for that. The solution is to skip miracle claims. Tip: only trust products reviewed by real mechanics. And now, let's uncover the dangerous ones. Cheap additives sometimes use chlorine as a friction modifier. Lubrizol research shows chlorine can cause internal corrosion. The solution is simple: avoid products with unclear ingredients. Tip: always read the label. Let's move on to the next group of harmful additives. Remember, buddy, shortcuts aren't always safe. Just like in life, quick fixes usually come with big risks. Choose wisely, and your car will reward you with years of reliable service. Now let's look at another so-called magic additive that can backfire. Some brands sell Teflon-based PTFE additives claiming zero friction. But even DuPont, who makes Teflon, said it's not for engines, it can clog oil filters. The solution is to avoid PTFE products. Tip: if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Let's move to another one that can wreck emission systems. Older cars used leaded fuel, but modern engines use catalytic converters that are sensitive. Lead additives can destroy them. EPA banned leaded gasoline decades ago for this reason. The solution is simple. Don't use lead additives in modern cars. Tip: only classic collectors may need them. Next up, let's look at one more risky type. Some bottles claim thicker oil will heal worn engines, but Engine Builder magazine found thick oil only masks noise and blocks flow. The real solution is to fix mechanical issues, not hide them. Tip: always use oil recommended in your manual. Buddy, you're learning fast and that's awesome. Let's recharge with a little motivation. Knowledge is power, my friend. Every tip you learn today makes you a smarter, more confident driver. Caring for your car isn't just about saving money. It's about responsibility and pride. Now let's recap the best additives so you can remember them clearly. Here's the list again: injector cleaner, oil stabilizer, octane booster, radiator additives, full fuel system cleaner, transmission additive, and nano-ceramic products. These all have real science behind them. Solution: use them as needed, not all the time. Tip: always check your car's manual before adding anything. But how do you know if a product is worth trying? Before buying any additive, check 3 things. Has it been lab tested? Do mechanics recommend it? And is it compatible with your car? AAA found most engine damage from additives is due to misuse, not the product itself. The solution is education first, purchase second. Tip: keep a mileage log when testing additives. Let's wrap this up with a final reminder. Now you know which additives help and which ones hurt. The bottom line: be smart, avoid miracle claims, and stick to proven products. Final tip: focus on regular maintenance first. Oil changes, filters, tune-ups. Additives are extras, not magic cures. Let's close this out strong. Alright, buddy, we've covered 11 additives that actually help and 5 that can seriously harm your car. Treat your car with care, and don't waste money on fake promises. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and drop a comment with your own additive experiences. I'd love to hear your story. And disclaimer: always consult a professional if you have special conditions, especially when handling automotive chemicals. See you in the next video, bro.